Hey team, Chapter 4 medical terms. Genu Valgum, knee knocked. Crepitation, it's the crackling sound heard in joints. Hypertonia, increased muscle tone or tightness. Arthroscopy, procedure for looking into a joint. Craniomalacia, softening of the skull. Tarsoptosis, flat feet. Hemarthrosis, blood in a joint. Osteoarthritis, inflammation of the joints, specifically those that bear weight. Carpectomy, removal of all or part of the wrist. Orthotics, a device that aids in the stabilization or straightening of a body part. And there you go.